Mud furnace.
A mud mixer, and then I'm gonna make a bunch of other recipes with the mud.
I'll have a bunch of dried leaves in 3.5 hours.
Look in your recipes, see if you have anything that says like bamboo dryer.
I have animal droppings.
Or just if there's anything that's useful that you can make, then make it, okay? Like, even if it's something you can't do yet, like, if there's a recipe for, like, an arrow or anything like that, go ahead and make it.
Does anybody know what a coconut bidon is?
Yeah, it holds water, I think.
Stick or plank and small stick.
Sure.
Another axe.
I'm not stupid.
Once I make this axe... what?
Man, I'm not feeling all this hooting and hollering that I'm hearing in my brain.
This new game,
Does that not work?
I don't really know what it is. Oh. It's like a survival game. What is this game called?
Green Hell.
Called Green Hell. So far, it is hell.
Go to hell.
And green.
Guys, my mouse meat has spoiled.
Oh no.
Well, that's about right, because we can't make a fucking fire.
See, I can make a water filter, mud mixer, storage box, short mud wall, mud roof, mud.
Okay, so all of that stuff helps with insanity. But do you see the thing that I'm making? Can you see it?
Yes, I can see it.
Hey, someone made a bow. Fuck yeah.
Yeah, I did. I just put it there. So,
I can make arrows, I think.
Oh man, you know what I'm in? Sleep. They said sleeping on a bed helps. I'm gonna
sleep in the hammock.
Mattress.
You don't get worms that way.
What if I want worms? I'm gonna sleep in the hammock and see if I can get less crazy while I'm doing it. See, here's the thing though. I'm gaining energy, but I'm not getting less crazy. If I am, it's so slow.
Well, you haven't done anything stupid like walk up on a snake or see a friend die.
Made long stick to make a spear. Can make a torch.
Hey, there's a long stick over here near me. I already have one on the ground.
Stone blade, weak spear.
In 1 short hour, I will have dried leaves.
Shit,
I can make a hand drill.
Hey, well, that's what you use to make the fire.
Yeah, I've got one of those. I've got one of those.
Because I'm not about to eat raw meat and go insane. Oh, here's some mushrooms. I forgot about those. It never occurs to me that you can eat mushrooms because, like, that's fucking gross to me. What are you laughing about?
I'm just entertaining myself. No big deal. Okay. Don't worry about it.
Do you guys have like anything that's not raw that I can eat?
Mushrooms.
Besides that.
I don't like those.
Actually, yeah, that'll work. Can I have some?
No.
Okay.
I got some maggots.
If anybody needs water on the dock, I have a stack of coconut shells, and they're all gathering water. There's like,
do you guys see the? Hey, do you see the water filter over there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's try that. Okay, I'm about to die.
I'm coming back. I got coconuts and stuff. Oh, and bananas. I forgot about bananas.
I'm just fucking waiting here until my shit is finished being not dry, and then I can make a damn fire and hopefully be not insane soon. I cannot wait to be sane.
We should order like some.
Just can't wait to be sane.
And that's really relevant because I feel like there are a lot of pickeries running by. So
Jesse, here's a banana.
Hakuna Matata. Was that is that what someone in that Choco Taco video said when he ate a leech or ate a grub? Hakuna Matata.
No, well that is chasing a pickery, so.
I'm hearing a whooshing sound coming from downstream, and I don't know what that is.
Whoosh.
Maybe that was it.
Whoosh.
I need proteins.
Whoosh.
Does anyone have grubs?
Oh, wait, no, I have maggots.
Wow, I'll eat them. Give them to me. Your
just threw them on the ground.
Oh, you know what?
Thanks. I'm gonna try out these mushrooms I've not eaten yet. Oh, food poisoning.
Okay, are they the big orange ones with like the spider web looking thing on them?
Yeah.
Don't eat those.
Hey guys.
Yeah, I know this now.
Hey guys.
Yeah.
Look what I did.
Made a fire?
Made a fire.
Did you do that?
Well, I waited till my shit dried out. That's why I've been standing here for the last.
Let me throw up on it.
Well, I'm about to put some snails on there. So
I'm over here throwing rotted macaw meat in the fucking river.
Yeah, I was gonna say, don't put rotted meat on.
So, what happens? Do you just put it like?
You put like snails or whatever the meat is on there, and it'll start cooking.
Oh my god, we are living it up, guys. We're gonna be okay. I think it has to be on those two spots though, right?
I'm about to pass out, so I'm gonna go sleep.
Okay. I'm gonna make our mud mixer.
Dude, my sanity's getting better. I'm still hearing a lot of voices, but hoping that'll be done soon.
Apparently I got something on me.
You what?
Guys, we are.
There's so many fucking leeches on me, it's not even cool.
I'm not dying. I don't understand why my health is going down while I'm doing this.
Have you checked
did you say you do that?
Do what?
Do what?
Inspect yourself.
Hit C. Hold down C and then the little magnifying glass.
Here we go. Let's see, what we got on me here? Oh my god, I have leeches.
You usually do.
3 leeches on my left leg.
Would also like to put some meat on the fire.
Was it? Okay.
And eat it.
Bet that's what was killing me. Was leeches.
Alright. I've eaten and I'm okay. I'm just gonna hang out near the fire. Yeah. I've got no more meat, but don't worry, in the morning I'll throw some axes at some birds and it's gonna be great.
Yeah, I do. I need nutrients. I'm about to die.
I'm about to go drink water out of my stacked up coconut shells that no one else thought was funny.
No, I think it's cool.
Did you see them? How stacked up they were?
Mm-hmm.
They're so tall, but yet they're all filling up with water. It's crazy. It's so efficient to just stand here and drink one after another.
Yeah, this is basically just a canteen that I've made here.
Alright, I'm fully hydrated.
Hey, that's helping my sanity.
I just realized that I could just make a bunch of stone blades and just chuck them at birds.
Water. How did you do that? How'd you put the water on there?
Don't worry about how I do things.
No, I really need to learn how.
I made a almost like a canteen. The coconut Biden. Coconut Joe Biden.
Did you hear that splash?
No. Was that Jesse dumping our water out again?
No.
No, it was me. No.
Meat that's done cooking?
Oh no, I just got a scratch. How did I get a scratch? From what? Oh man. Now that's gonna kill me.
Oh, I drank dirty water.
Let me try,
Oh dang.
Hold on, I wanna try something. Nope, that won't work.
Anybody need any bird feathers? I've got about 47 of them.
Yeah.
I'll take one.
Are you seeing this?
Yeah.
I got like 8 birds with feathers.
I want to see what else I can make.
I'm gonna cook my spider.
Do you guys want me to get more snails? There's a shitload of snails over here I can get.
Sure.
Also need to drink a bunch of water, so I'm gonna go to the stack.
There's a frog running through. Guys, I'm almost halfway sane.
Why are you cooking the spider?
I'm not
That's
gonna
what
eat it
I
raw.
want to know.
I'm gonna eat a raw spider.